Tired of juggling multiple bills and want a simpler way to manage your Simplii Financial credit card payments? In this video, we'll walk you through 3 easy methods to pay your Simplii credit card bill, ensuring you never miss a payment and avoid those pesky interest charges first. Let's explore online banking through the Simplii Financial website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Simplicom. Log into your account using your access card number and password. Once you're logged in, look for the Payments section. It's usually located on the left-hand side menu or within the account summary page. Click on Payments to proceed. Now, select Pay Bills. You'll see a list of your payees. If your Simplii Financial credit card isn't listed, you'll need to add it. Click on Add a Payee and search for Simplii Financial credit card. Enter your full credit card number as the account number and follow the prompts to add it. Once your credit card is added, select it from the list of payees. Enter the amount you wish to pay, then choose the account you want to pay from, typically your Simplii checking or savings account. Select the date you want to schedule the payment. Remember to allow a few business days for the payment to process. Review all the details carefully and confirm your payment. You'll receive a confirmation message on the screen. Alternatively, you can use the Simplii Financial mobile app. The process is very similar to paying online. Simply log in, navigate to the Payments section, select your credit card, and follow the prompts. Finally, you can set up Preauthorized Debit. This automatically pays your credit card bill from your Simplii account on a specified date each month. Contact Simplii Financial directly through their website or by phone to set this up. It's a great way to ensure you never miss a payment. And that's it. With these simple methods, managing your Simplii Financial credit card payments is a breeze. Subscribe for more helpful banking tips.